Hey guys, this is Micah. Welcome back to Made in Liberia. This video right here that we're about to get into is just the completion of the ELWA Junction. And also this video is also about just some update on the road construction that is going on in Liberia. So just enjoy it. This is a little treat for my subscriber. So enjoy this video and look out for more videos like this, all right? Take care. God bless you and stay blessed.
Hey everyone, welcome to Made in Liberia. Hope you're all having a fantastic time in your life. Just want to say thanks to all of our existing subscribers and supporters, and shalom to all of our new subscribers. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscription button. Share, like, comment, and hit that notification button so that you can be notified whenever we release a new content. Remember, without you, our channel will not be viewed by others. Thank you very much. God bless you and stay blessed. Let's get into the video.